pick her up early on Friday.
Drop it. Drop it. Drop the ball. Good girl. Good girl. Hey, hey.
Or for that matter,
Get back.
we could get...
Get back.
Rhonda, this is your dog with Kayla.
Come here, drop it, drop it. Drop the ball. Good girl. Good girl.
She didn't see it. She didn't see you throw it. Kayla calls her two spot because she's got two spots, one under her throat and one on her chest. She's watching you. Again, this is the energy level I thought you would want. Not too high strung, but still will play and interact. She's smart. Coming back to the shade.